Hello teachers, welcome to YOLO Speak English Training Program. My name is Aarti Raghav and I have been associated with YOLO as a product trainer. YOLO has taken an initiative to help the students speak English fluently. I would like to thank you from behalf of the YOLO team that you showed your interest in the YOLO Speak English program and we appreciate your efforts. It is an English teacher-driven program as discussed in the YOLO Speak orientation program. Congratulations to all the teachers who have completed the orientation level 1. The teachers have received the orientation amount. Let's discuss the steps to accomplish the YOLO Speak English program and how the teachers will get the honorarium. Step 1. Orientation. That has been completed and the teacher has received 500 rupees. Step 2. Training. After the training completion, the teachers will receive 500 rupees more. Step 3. Download. The teachers need to help the students download the YOLO Notes application in their mobile phone. Then the teachers will receive 1000 rupees more. Step 4. Regular homework. The teacher need to ensure that all the student has completed their homework on weekly basis. Then the teacher will receive 250 rupees per week, that is 1000 rupees monthly. Annually, the teacher will receive 12,000 rupees for the completion of English program. We will be discussing how the YOLO Speak English program work in detail, or you can say how the weekly program cycle works. Step 1. Homework will be sent to the students directly from the YOLO team. Step 2. Students will submit the homework on weekly basis. Here, the teachers need to ensure that the homework has been completed on time. Step 3. After the completion of the homework on time, the teacher will receive the honorarium as discussed earlier. The YOLO Speak English program works on artificial intelligence. That is, the delivery of homework is automated and the students will receive instant feedback. The honorarium will be dispersed at the moment students submitted the homework. Let's discuss about the program in detail. The students will receive the homework twice a week at 3 p.m. Number of the homework will be 2 in a week. Students have to complete the homework before 6 p.m. Sunday and the students will get a reminder at 10 a.m. on Sunday. Now, we are going to understand what exactly student has to do. Firstly, the student needs to download the YOLO Notes application in their mobile from the Play Store, as you can see in the screen. The YOLO Notes application is denoted with the purple logo on the left. So teachers, as I told you about the YOLO Notes application, students need to download the YOLO Notes application, which is denoted with the purple color, as you can see in the screen. Students need to log in with their registered mobile number and the OTP. They will receive the OTP in their default message box. After entering the OTP, they will log in the YOLO Notes application. They do not require any kind of password to log in the YOLO Notes application. You can see this is the home page the students will get after logging in the YOLO Notes application. You can see the 3 horizontal lines above. After clicking on that, the second option is YOLO Speak. The student need to click on the YOLO Speak option to complete their homework. This is the YOLO Speak homepage. Click on Do Homework, which is denoted with the blue color. After clicking on the same, one level game will appear here. Likewise. So this is the game. You can see the red color levels, purple color levels, and the yellow color levels. So the three levels are denoted with the three colors, that is red, yellow, and purple. Red color means that the homework has been missed and the student has not submitted the homework on time. The purple color denotes that the homework has been submitted on time, and the yellow color denotes that still the homework is ongoing, or you can say the homework is still in progress and the student has time to complete it. So I'll click on yellow level. After clicking on a particular level, for a general knowledge, there will be a general knowledge statement according to the grade. Go is the shortest grammatical correct sentence in the English. I'll continue on continue. After clicking on continue, you will be able to see the quiz and the details. You can see the quiz details. The quiz has 16 questions and there is no time limit to attempt the quiz. Student need to click on the start quiz option. After clicking on start quiz, you can see the question written above in the screen. Tap what you hear. So student need to tap on the play button, which is below the car drawing. So after playing the button, the student will be able to hear the voice. So after hearing the voice, he or she has to arrange the jumbled words in a meaningful sentence. So for example, I can address the drive to you. So this is, I have answered. I need to click on check. So correct answer is I can drive you to this address. So as I told you earlier, it is automated evaluation. So you will get the instant feedback here. Clicking on continue for the second option, tap the correct answer. How many syllables are there in the word refresh? Syllables are the two different words making a single meaningful word, that is re plus fresh, two syllables. I am clicking on two option, click on check. So it is noted with the green, that means the answer is correct. So this is how the student need to complete the entire question that is reflected above. Total number of question is 16 and 2 has been completed yet. When the questions has been attempted, all of the 16, the one homework will be completed by a student. This is how the YOLO Speak homework will be completed by a particular student. Teachers, we have understood how the students will complete the YOLO Speak homework. Now, we will understand what the teacher has to do in the English program. Teacher need to download the YOLO Teach application from the Play Store. You can see in the screen the blue logo YOLO Teach application. You need to log in with your registered mobile number and you will get the OTP to log in the application. You are not required to log in with the password. The procedure for the login for the student as well as for the teacher is the same, that is the OTP. After entering the OTP, you will be able to log in your YOLO Teach application. So you can see this is the home page of YOLO Teach application. There are 5 options at the bottom of the screen: groups, chat, speak, directory, and more. Firstly, we have to go to the speak option. After going to the speak option, you will have the home page of YOLO Speak, the Orarium program, do homework, and view report. So firstly, we are going to view the report of a particular class. Clicking on view report option, you will have 2 options of summary and detail. In summary, total activities sent and total submission. Total activities sent means YOLO team has sent this number of homework and the total submission are of the student who have completely submitted the homework. Moreover, you can listen to the top performers of your school as well as other schools across India. Now we need to click on the detailed report to download the detailed report class-wise. Selecting the class, for example, I select class 4th, click on submit. This is how you will be able to find the report. In report, you will be able to find the details of class,
number of students who have not done the homework, when was the last homework sent, and the class participation. Class participation denoted with 3 colors: low, red, average, orange, and excellent, green. The teachers need to make sure that every class has the excellent participation in a class. That means green participation. Moreover, you need to click on class 4 for more details. That is denoted with the green color. Clicking on class 4th, you will be able to have the list of students and when was a particular student submitted the last homework and what is the report of last 5 homework. You can download the report from the down arrow. Going back, now you can click on the number of students who have not done the homework for that particular student name. Clicking on 4, for example, you will have the list of students and the last submission date of a particular student. And you can download this list from the below arrow as well. Teachers, noted down at the below of the page, you can see the last updated date and time. It should be N-1. That means 1 day before. If the last updation date is not updated, then you need to go to the Play Store and update the application. Going back, you can also do the homework likewise as the student. So it is advisable for each teacher to first do the homework by themselves, then ask the student to do the homework. Because if any student come to you with the doubts, you will be able to resolve each and every query and explain according to that. This is how the teacher will fetch the report of YOLOSpeak and themselves can do the homework as well.
Teachers, we have understood how the YOLO notes work and the YOLO teach works. So now, for any instant, if a student faces any issue, log in with the unregistered number. For example, student doesn't know which is their registered number and the student lost access to their registered number, or the student need to log in through another device. So if a student log in with a registered mobile number, he or she will get the full access. And if he or she is logged in with the unregistered number, he or she will get no access for the YOLO Notes application. When the student log in with the unregistered number, he or she will find this page as you can see in the screen. So ask the students to contact you. That means the student need to contact the teacher if the student find this kind of screen. The teachers will require name of the student, class, and the current phone number. Here, the teachers are authorized to change the phone number of a particular student. I will show you how you will change the phone number of a particular student.
So teachers, now we will understand how the teacher will be able to change the mobile number if the student will log in with an unregistered number and faces any kind of login issues. You need to click on YOLO Teach application, log in with your registered mobile number and the OTP. This is the home page I discussed earlier. You can see the 5 options at the bottom of the screen. That is groups, chat, speak, directory, more. You need to click on directory option. Here you will find all the classes. You need to click on a particular class. Now you need to select the student of which you need to change the mobile number. For example, we need to change the mobile number of Sahil. Clicking on the name Sahil, you will be able to call or message that student. You will be able to see in which group that particular student is included in. Moreover, scroll down the screen, you will be able to find the phone numbers of particular student. You can change any number by clicking on the digital pen. Here, you can write down the number and you can click on done option to change the mobile number. This is how you will change the mobile number of a particular student.
Summarizing the training, what teacher has to do. what teacher has to do to ensure regular homework? They need to help the students with the download. Then they need to direct who have not completed to complete the homework on weekly basis. So we had understand in detail what teacher has to do to make the EuroSpeak English program a success. Now, every teacher has to submit one homework to complete the training and receive the honorarium, that is 500 rupees. So, if you have any doubt related to the session, you can directly contact our support team, that is 8880191199, that is 8880191199, and you can email us at support@eulo.com. Congratulations, the second step, that is EuroSpeak training, has been completed and you will receive the honorarium in 24 to 48 hours. Orientation completed and you have received 500 rupees. Training completed, you will receive 500 rupees more. Only 2 steps are left to complete the program, that is the application download and ensure the students to complete the homework. Thank you.